The AI engine Deep Neural Network, DNN, depicted in the video is a powerful diagnostic tool for hospital patients' e-log processing. Here's a breakdown of how this DNN architecture benefits doctors, patients and families, and hospital brand. Brain AI DNN engine, role in hospital intelligence. Pushpin diagram structure, from the image. Input layer, 9 health parameters MRI, ECG, X-ray, KFT, LFT, CBC, BMI, temperature, BP. 9 hidden layers, perform deep feature extraction, math-based transformation, and pattern recognition. Output layer, 6 diagnosis outcomes cardiac, infection, hypertension, diabetes, further investigation, normal. Man health worker for doctors, clinical decision support. Benefit description. Rapid diagnosis AI engine provides real-time analysis across multiple parameters. Clinical accuracy reduces human error by mathematically modeling correlations and anomalies. Prioritization helps flag critical cases, example cardiac or infection, for urgent attention. Second opinion supports junior doctors with AI-driven recommendations. People holding hands for patients and families, transparency and confidence. Benefit description. Early detection helps catch diseases before symptoms manifest strongly. Personalized treatment enables customized care plans based on AI-derived insights. Communication aid families can see clear data-backed reasons for diagnosis. Trust building offers explainability and transparency in the treatment path. Hospital for hospital brand, smart healthcare transformation. Benefit description. Reputation for innovation. AI-powered diagnostics position hospital as a tech leader. Operational efficiency reduces time spent on repetitive tasks, allowing staff to focus on care. Data-driven reporting enables audit trails, misreports, patient risk scoring, and forecasting. Compliance and accreditation. AI logs support ISO, NABH, and government compliance. Bar chart example flow. MRI/CT scan plus ECG plus KFT rightward arrow hidden layers, feature mapping, rightward arrow diagnosis, cardiac. BMI plus CBC plus BP rightward arrow hidden layers, risk modeling, rightward arrow diagnosis, diabetes. Each path through the network represents mathematical relationships, learned from large data sets, offering predictions based on known clinical data. DNA math formula use in layers. Each hidden layer performs nonlinear transformations such as activation functions, ReLU, sigmoid. Weighted sum, Z equals sigma, Wi asterisk Xi plus B. Loss function minimization during training. Backpropagation for optimization. Sparkle summary by role. Role key AI benefit. Doctor diagnostic augmentation, reduced cognitive load. Patient and family trust through explainable, timely care. Hospital branding, efficiency, digital compliance. Thank you.